Hello friends, my name is Om and you are watching my YouTube channel. So friends, I ordered a selfie stick from an app named Club Factory. Yes friends, you probably have heard about it. It is giving stuffs for just rupees 1. Yes friends, I ordered it from the Club Factory app and I unboxed it and I recorded the video, and currently I am recording this video with the help of selfie stick, but after that I will merge it and upload and present your video. So friends, before starting this unboxing, I request you to like this video for motivating me. Please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for more fascinating content, and don't forget to share it with your friends. So friends, and if you wanna download Club Factory app, then I am putting the link in the description. I am going to unbox this stuff, so let's unbox. Oh, thank you friend. I needed it for cutting this. Friends, the cost of it is just rupees 1 and I ordered it from Club Factory. The link is in the description. You can download it from there. So friends, tantana. Oh yeah, it's nice. Foam please. So friends, I am going to test it. So friends, I attached the phone in this selfie stick and you can see it's completely working friends. Let's take a photo. Just a minute friends. So friends, cheese. So friends, as you can see, this selfie stick is completely working friends. It is taking pictures. And friends, I also clicked many photos. So friends, I would put it here, many photos. So friends, thank you for watching this video till the end, and don't forget to press that like button, subscribe my channel and press that bell icon, and share it with your friends. Thank you friends for supporting me. Goodbye. Meet you in another video.